recipe.
So guys, this is the cookies yummies. Yum 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 yum. So this is the cookies yummy, you know what I mean? Let's go. So So yeah guys, we did it today. Ya lo hicimos los cookies yummies. Es muy importante, ¿me entiendes? Utilizar batidora. Eso parece lo que dan en la iglesia.
Cookies yummy recipe.
So guys, this is the cookies yummies. Yum 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 yum. So this is the cookies yummy, you know what I mean? Let's go. So yeah, put one in the chat, guys. Put one in the chat if the audio is good. Right, guys, let's go. We are live, and yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a cookie yummy today. So the cookie yummy is gonna be very interesting. So yeah, guys. So I have all the recipe today. You know what I mean? I have everything. So what's up? What's up? What's up? So yeah, guys, we back, and then what I'm gonna do today is the cookie yummy. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the butter, 100 grams of butter in the pan. So lo primero que voy a hacer, amigos, es agregar 100 gramos de manteca a la sartén, ¿me entiendes? Y esto va a estar muy fácil y sencillo. Y vamos ahí. A ver, 100 gramos, 100 grams of butter, 100 gramos de manteca en la sartén, cabrón. Let's go, let's go. 100 grams of butter, 100 gramos de manteca. What's good, guys? What's good? Put one in the chat. Put one in the chat. Let's go. A lot of people on Twitch. Muchas personas en Twitch, bro. All right, guys. We have 100 grams of butter. Tenemos 100 gramos de... Then I'm gonna add the sugar. Por supuesto, añadir el azúcar, ¿entiendes? 65 de azúcar. Let me see. The chat. Oh, yeah, let's go, guys. 5 people, 10 personas. Come on, 100. Vamos, let's go. 100 people, let's go. Then we mix it, you know what I mean? You mix it. Lo mezclan, ¿entiendes? Yes, let's go, guys. We just mix it with the sugar. Just do it like this. Just mix the butter. Hermano, can I send you the link, bro? Te mando el link. Is it? What's good? What's good? The chat. Let's go. Let's go. Add a little by little. Un poco a poco, ¿entiendes? No agreguen toda la harina. ¿Ves? Ahora mezclamos. Let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Put one in the chat. 100 personas live. Vamos a 200. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Let's go. What's good, guys? I'm going to add another egg to the thing. So, yeah, guys, this is the egg. I'm going to add another egg. Boom. Now, we mix it. This is the cookie yummy, guys. Let's go. Here, I'm going to add the baking soda. And lastly, the chips. Baking soda, baking soda. Now I'm gonna add the chips. Ahora voy a añadir los chips. ¿Entiendes? And mix it. Mezclamos. And later let it rest. You know what I mean? Luego lo dejan reposar por unos. The cookie yummy is ready, guys. El cookie yummy está listo. Solamente hay que hacer una bola y luego llevarlo a reservar. ¿Entiendes? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Sí. Tenemos los cookie yummy, ¿me entiendes? So yeah, guys, I have the cookie yummy. It's already in the fridge. I'm gonna put it outside. Y sí, los cookie yummy están en la heladera. Lo vamos a... As you can see right there, this is the cookie yummy. I'm gonna add it in the oven for 15 minutes. Lo voy a poner en el horno por 20 minutos. No, 10 minutos. A 150 grados. O 15 minutes, 15 minutos a 175 grados. So yeah, guys, 175 degree for 15 minutes. Let's go. The cookie yummy. So very important, guys, to use a mixer. Muy importante utilizar una batidora para hacer el mixer de los cookie yummy. Let's go. Mi bro. The cookies is fucking ready. Let's go. Los cookies están. Cookies. Los cookies están. Cookies, guys. Cookies. Do you want some? Cookies. Y sí, amigos, esos son los cookies yummies, ¿entiendes? A ver. Cookies yummies, pasa. Eso algo me está... Pero es primera vez, ya yo sé cómo lo va a hacer. Ya está. A ver, el olor. Claro. Prueba. Oh, there you go. Okay. Sí, le falta esto. So guys, this is the cookies yummies, you know what I mean? It's cookies yummies. Oh, se nítido, eh. So yeah, guys, we did it today. Ya lo hicimos los cookies yummies. Es muy importante, ¿me entiendes? Utilizar batidora, mixer.
Very delicious.
Eso parece lo que dan en la iglesia, ¿viste?
Pasa. Es la primera vez pasa.
No.
Está esponjoso. Me gusta eso.
Se parece a un bizcochuelo, como un bizcochuelo que quedó. Viste como que la harina no salió.
Ahí era 10 minutos de pajazo, güey.
So yeah, guys, it's done today. Let's go. Fuera.